In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change open to work on LinkedIn. Let's get started right from your LinkedIn homepage. First, log into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look for your profile picture at the top. Click it to open the quick menu, then click it again to go to your full profile. This takes you to your profile page where you'll see your profile photo front and center. Right there, you should see an option labeled Frame. Go ahead and click Frame. This is where you can switch the banner around your profile photo. If you're currently showing the open to work frame and you want to change it, you have a few choices. You can switch it to the hiring frame if you're recruiting, or you can remove the frame entirely if you prefer a clean photo with no banner. Take a moment to decide which option makes the most sense for you and how you want to present yourself. After you've made your choice, click Apply. Depending on what you select, LinkedIn may prompt you to confirm or complete a few details. For example, if you're indicating that you're open to work, you might be asked about job titles, locations, or work preferences. If you're choosing the hiring option, you could be asked to clarify your role or team. Fill in the fields that appear as accurately as possible. This helps LinkedIn display the right context to the right people and keeps your profile clear and professional. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your change will update right away, and you'll see your profile photo reflect the new frame choice. If you don't see the frame option immediately, make sure you're on your profile page, not just the home page. On mobile, you may need to tap your profile photo first, then look for the frame or edit options. If it still doesn't appear, refresh the page or try updating the app. A quick tip: think about your goal on LinkedIn before choosing a frame. The open to work frame is highly visible and signals your availability. The hiring frame lets potential candidates know you're recruiting. No frame keeps things neutral if you want to minimize signals and keep your profile streamlined. And that's it. Log in, open your profile, choose frame, select your preferred option, apply it, fill in any details, and save. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching.